Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to this video. Today we will be working on the Scion TC. As you guys see, Josue is already getting started. We're going to be restoring the headlights, the two in front, because they're really bad. Let me show you this. After about maybe a good hour or so, they should be looking really nice. So first he's going to be scotch taping them all around, then light grit sandpaper, and we are going to be using this really good stuff. The reviews are really good online. Totally recommend it. McGuire's Plastic X. We will be giving that a try, and then after coating them, because of the sun out here in California, it gets hot, so we want to protect them. And then we will also be putting on some brand new rotors, because these rotors are already old and rusty. With these, they look super nice. I like them. So we got all four of them, so we will be showing you super simple, but I don't know if I'll make this a how-to, more likely a vlog. Yeah, more likely a vlog. There's probably a lot of videos out there that show you how to do them, but maybe I might throw in some tips here and there. But I'm gonna be putting the rotors in the same time while Josue's already getting started. That's the man right there, man. He's already getting it done already. So, all right, let's do this.
Make sure to tuck it in so it won't get the paint. I'm going to do a before and after so you guys can see if this works or not. All right, so stay tuned. I'm going to wet sand this every minute or so. Make sure to put water on it so it won't damage the headlight. All right. You guys, there's big improvement, big old time. This works amazing. Compare this to this side.
I don't like that quesadilla, huh? The bomb. So, alright guys, so keep you guys up to date. So far I just got one rotor out already. I already unboxed all the new rotors. Looking really clean, real nice. And here's the old one. Now here's the situation. To get them resurfaced, and how would you know? I have to explain this. So how would you know if you would need new rotors? If you feel anything rough or uneven, where it's got like these heat marks, metal coming out, these are not too bad. But if they got these ripples, uneven metal on it, then you definitely need to replace them, because they're just gonna wear out your brake pads more. And the rotors, when they're bad, they could move in and out, and they can make this terrible sound. So how does it go? Yeah, like that. You know what I'm talking about. So then it'll probably be a good idea to resurface them. It's not cheap. It goes between $20 and $30 depending on where you go. So in the case of 4 rotors, that's around $100. You might as well spend a little bit more money and get some brand new rotors. Especially for the Scion TC, there's a bunch of manufacturers that make them. It's really not even worth to resurface them. So, and by the way, this design is a lot more nicer. It allows the rotors to stay a little bit more cooler. Before I put them on the car, you just get a clean rag, or at least a clean side of a rag, and just wipe them down real good. Just in case you've gotten grease or any oil on there, whatever, you don't ever want that to be in contact with your brake pads. What are you doing, man? So as you can see the point, so this is not the passenger side. This one is the passenger side. Then we're just gonna put it back on here, like that. Squeeze those two babies inside of it. We already fine sanded them. We wet sanded them already. We polished them. They look really nice. But the last step, what we're gonna do, just to take off any dust and water, and just get some alcohol, and then just rub it on there, just like that, and we'll let it sit there for 5 minutes. We'll do the same to the other side. So So we're just gonna apply a coat, not too close, not too far. I can definitely see that coating on there.
You could.
And it smells.
It smells good.
But it does smell good. This stuff actually smells kind of good.
Close the garage door.
This stuff is supposed to protect your headlights for up to 1 year.
They smell so good.
But here in our weather, I doubt it. It'll protect it that long. But
oh, they smell good.
It does smell good.
Email us. Email us.
We already did the Q&A, so if you haven't watched it already, it's just one video behind us. The Q&A will be posted today, and this video sometime next week, guys. So
go see the Q&A, guys. Go see the Q&A right now. Go see it. If you're in the Madero area, Fresno, anywhere, hit us up. This is beautiful, you guys. He's beautiful too.
Hey guys, what is going on? So it's the next day now, and so I finished the rotors, I finished the headlights. Take a look for yourself. They look amazing. Super loving this, guys. Check a look at those headlights. They look amazing. Such a difference. Oh man, I'm liking this, guys. Totally recommend it. McGuire's, you did a really good job with this product. And then the rotors, they got the front ones already in there. I got a plastic dip these wheels because they're getting all faded. With these headlights, just killing it, guys. It is really killing it. Can't wait till this weekend when I get the rims plastic dip and the calipers painted. They're gonna look so much even more nicer, guys. So that's what's gonna be coming over for this weekend. One thing to remember, guys, for the rear rotors, it's pretty much almost the same, except for instead of being a 17mm, the two 17mm bolts, you're gonna need a 14mm for the rear. So remember that, and you're also gonna need a rubber mallet because those can be pretty difficult to come out. So make sure you have a rubber mallet, and you're gonna be hitting it and turning the whole rotor itself and banging it out at least a good 10-15 minutes. That's how long at least I took with the Scion TC. But yeah, be prepared to get a rubber mallet because sometimes they do not want to come out. But pretty much besides that, it's pretty much all easy. I can't remember anything else. You guys know what to do. Like if you like, dislike if you do dislike. Don't forget to comment. And what else was I supposed to say? If you need some parts for your ICE 300 or for your Scion TC, we might have some parts in there. I know we had a few brake stuff. I think we have some more brake stuff. We only have 2 more boxes left, guys, if you need some brakes for your Scion TC. So if you guys need that, check out our description, guys. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys very soon. Peace.
You guys, I'm doing all the work. Samuel's just there touching that whatever it is.
No. Oh, it hurt.
Safety, Samuel, safety.
It could be about a pound lighter.
I'm not going to be right. I am right.
Okay, yeah. I'm sorry. So, Dave, what's he doing over there? Get back to work. What?
I still see your shadows in my room.
Do you really?
Yeah.
I can't tell you the dreams I've had about you, sir. You two will not allow me to
Hey.
say it.
The reason it's always calling Madero, you guys, is because I'm from Madero, so.
Oh, whatever. Ow! Ow!
Are you okay?
No.
3 Hondas. It was packed the whole day. It's crazy today, crazy. Oh, it smells so good.